Some interesting moves on today's sterling dollar chart. Actually, really one of the biggest, most traded markets going. And, really what we've had is probably three good, solid trading opportunities today on this market. So let's just get into a little bit of detail on those, because what I want to go through first of all is just the two sniper trades that you can see on the screen there. So very easily to identify these, very visual, good for new traders, new trend signal users and what have you to identify these trades very quickly. And really they're just simply, I guess, the easiest opportunity is this one really at 330, because from there we get everything turn green at the same time. That 163.54 really giving us our entry there, as we have those three indicators there turning from red to green. So we can see there the green vector average line, the sniper circle, the trend signal line in an oversold position below that 25 line. So that's three good solid ticks there on the chart to give us confidence to look to place that trade. Now an opportunity like that, we are entry level wise looking for just simple entries here, and then target wise looking for a straightforward 20 points for the target though. So from an entry of 163.54, you're looking at sort of 74 or so as that target zone, as we refer to that trade from earlier in the day. That entry at 164.08, looking for that target up to around that sort of 28 zone. So again, this trade earlier in the day taking a little while for the vector average to turn from red to green, but ultimately giving us that trade at 9:30. So 9:30, 3:30, get two good solid sniper trades and really nice opportunities there, moving through to their targets very, very well. Interestingly, moving through to this opportunity here at 12:15. Now what we saw here was that change in direction back to that downward path. Now if I refer through to my 4-hour chart, what I'm going to do is get an idea about trends. Now, as this candlestick here finished here at 10 o'clock this morning, this is really telling us that after 10 o'clock this morning, we're now in a downtrend because this red line here. Now, you don't have to get straight into the whole idea of looking at multiple time frames, because initially you may just want to go for the simple sniper trades, but we can really look to get on more trades, maximize revenue and income and so on by looking at trends. So what I'm saying here is that really the bigger moves are more likely to be down after 10 o'clock this morning. What does this mean? It means that if we're getting opportunities like those buys, we've got to take those profits quickly. If we're going to look to bigger moves, then we can look to ride those out. So the trend is down. If I then refer back to that 15-minute chart, then we've got that indicator there turning from green to red. The trend signal line very overbought, turning from green to red. Those together with the downtrend can then give me the confidence to then to place that trade. More importantly, I can actually look for a bigger target. The reason being is because the trend is down. Rather than looking to take profits quickly before the trend is resumed, I can look for a bigger objective. 164.24 my entry here, with a target of 163.80. down to the bottom here. That's actually a 45-point target on this trade. So you add that in with the two winners from earlier on the snipers, then basically it's a potential at 85 point day on sterling dollar. Two different techniques there. One, the simple sniper strategies. Two, supplement trend analysis, and you can start to pick up some different trades potentially, but also look to ride out some bigger profits on those trades. Each quite simple to do. Each strategy just a simple 3-step checklist to identify, but together they can pick up some pretty powerful opportunities there. Thanks for listening.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.